Okay, I'm here with the Harrisons. We just closed on a property of theirs, and I just want to ask them about how their experience was working with us.
This experience was wonderful. Short, professional, not a lot of time. I am pleasantly pleased, surprised, and I'm thankful for this young man, thankful for my husband, and I'm thankful for God that this process is now over. I won't stress anymore.
I think it was awesome, and she's happy.
Right. Yeah, so, far as, the property, did you guys get everything that you needed out of it? And were you taking, very good care of during the whole process?
For the entire process. It was pleasant. It was just wonderful. And everything that we needed, we got. And that's the best I can say. And to be honest and be truthful, we got everything and more than what we thought. This young man, I'm just going to tell you, if you're out there and you need someone to be honest and truthful with you and not waste your time, this is the young man, Mr. McKenzie, my new son.
Thank you, Mom.
I agree totally.
Well, I appreciate that, and that is all we have for now.
We appreciate you.